So we'll just have a look at how we work out the sizes for a bridge wardrobe over a bed. We're doing this one in inches just to show that we still can. Happy to work in centimetres, metres, millimetres or inches. So 12-foot wall here. We're going to put a filler at each end to get around the skirting board, any vagaries in the wall, so it can be scribed to the shape of your wall there. The furniture has to go in square, level, vertical, and your walls probably aren't, so that's why we put the filler there. So we're going to put an 1.5 inch filler at each end. We've got a 12-foot wall. If we've got a normal 4'6" bed, then we generally try and leave 3 inches of space either side of the bed, so you've got room to change the bed without removing your knuckles. So we'll leave a 16-inch space for the bed. We're going to have bedside cabinets here, and generally speaking we try and keep the bedside cabinets to a reasonably small size, because the hanging space, the wardrobe space, is probably the priority. So if we take the 144-inch wall and we take off 3 inches for the 1.5 inch filler at each end, leaves 141 inches. So we're leaving a 60-inch space for a 54-inch bed, so we've got 81 inches left. We're going to have two 12-inch bedside cabinets, so that's 24 inches for the bedside cabinets, which leaves us 57 inches for the wardrobes. Now that's a bit tight to actually split into two doubles, so we're going to do it as a double one end and a single the other. So we'll just show how that works. So we'll start off with we'll have a double wardrobe at the left hand end, so that's going to be 38 inches. And there's a reason for having a double wardrobe here. It gives you the space to walk into the room. It also gives the opportunity, if you wanted, to have a dressing table and some drawers coming off a stable door here, which we'll come to in another video. So we've got the double wardrobe there, and we're going to have another one with the same size door but just a single wardrobe, so a 19-inch wardrobe at this end. And then we're going to have cupboards over the bed, which is some people like, some people don't. Entirely up to you, but it's a good way of using space. So we can do these the same depth as a wardrobe, or we quite often set them back. So we'll make these a little bit shallower than the wardrobes, make these 18 inches deep. That gives quite a good look, as we'll see in a second. So they go in here. And then bedside cabinets, generally speaking we normally do 2 drawer bedside cabinets, so we're going to do those at 12 inches. So we can have one here and one here, and if we pop a bed in so you can see what that would look like. Not a very attractive bed, but it gives you an idea. So there's the bed. It'll sit in the middle. So you can see from above. So that's how that'll work. You've got 3 inches of space either side here, 2 12-inch bedside cabinets, single wardrobe here, double wardrobe here. Just show you what that would look like from there. So that's how we work that out. 12 inches, 12 foot, knock off 1.5 inch each end. The bed is a fixed size, 54 inches in this case, 3 inches of clearance each side. Decide how big you want your bedside cabinets, in this case 12 inches each, so we take another 24 inches off, divide what's left, and that's how big we can make the wardrobes.